up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Riquel Angela, and I am back with another makeup tutorial. Yes, I bought some makeup from Juvia's Palace and I wanted to play around with some colors. I wanted to have a little bit of fun on this channel. So listen, everything that's in this video is just something that I kind of created in my head. I'm actually practicing. I want to get better with using color eyeshadows because on a daily basis, I just keep my makeup very simple, very natural, which is fine, but sometimes a girl wants to have a little fun. So if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, please continue watching. If you're new here, welcome in. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel free to subscribe. And if you guys are my returning viewers, y'all already know I appreciate all the love and all the support. Let's get into this video. Hello my lovely ladies, I am so excited about this look. This look is perfect for Valentine's Day or even a date night. So I already did my eyebrows and now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer and I'm just gonna put that over my eyelids and I'm gonna blend that in very well. Once you have your concealer blended it very well, I went ahead and used my, this is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, Masquerade Mini by Juvia's, and I'm using the color Fulani, and I'm just basically applying that color right above my crease of my eyes. Now once I blended that in, I went ahead and I'm so excited to use the Berries by Juvia's. Y'all, oh my gosh, these colors are so pretty. Look at these colors, y'all. So I'm thinking about using that top color, the one just up under it, and then the very last one. But to start off with, I'm going to go ahead and use that last color. And since there's no names for it, we're gonna go and call that color number 6. So color number 6 or shade number 6, I'm basically applying that to like the outer corners of my eye, and I am applying it on top of that last shade that I had applied. So I'm basically just applying it in. I want that to be a little bit more bolder, more darker on that area. So once that is applied, I'm using Juvia's Eye Prep Eye Prime. It's their eye primer. This is my very first time using this ever. So I decided to apply it to my hands first because it came out really liquidy. It's not as thick as like the concealer that I applied originally. So y'all, we're gonna learn this together. I wanna like make errors now and then show you guys what not to do. So I'm so glad I applied the eye primer to my hand first and then used my concealer brush to apply it on my eye. So I was attempting to create like a cut crease. I always wanted to try it. So this was me just trying to see, let's see if I can like attempt to do it. So this isn't gonna be my first and this isn't gonna be my last time trying to attempt to do this. This is what I came up with, you guys. So I'm just trying to like clean it up, fix it, and I'm like, let me just apply eyeshadow the way that I know how to do it, so that way I don't have to like wipe all this off. So I'm just gonna show you guys like if you guys mess up, what to do, so that way you don't have to like start all over with your eyeshadow. Look, I'm like, calm down, Riquel. Take your time. So once I got this as neat as possible, the way that I felt comfortable with it being applied, I went ahead and I applied some of that reddish brown color that I had from the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's eyeshadow palette, and it's the color Fulani. Once I applied the colorful lining, I'm going in with the second shade in the Berries by Juvia eyeshadow palette, and I'm just applying that all over where you see the eyeshadow primer. Now I am ready to have fun, y'all. So I wanted to go use this hot pink color, and I am applying that like after the light pink color and just before that darker color. So once I did that, now I'm just kind of going back through the other shades of colors and just like blending it in a little bit, or I wanted that darker color to stand out a little bit more. So I was like, let me just brush that in a little bit. So this is just like the cleanup part. Y'all, it is finally starting to come together and I'm getting excited. So I am now going in with my Maybelline New York Superstay Active Wear. This is one of my favorite matte foundations. It's like 12 bucks. I love it, I love it, I love it. And it's in the color 360 Mocha. I'm basically gonna speed through this part, so I'm gonna apply my LA Girl Pro Concealer, one of my favorite. This is my go-to, so I'm just applying this as my concealer for the day. And I wanted to add a little eye brightening, so I'm using my Maybelline New York. It's the Fit Me Concealer in the color 40 Caramel, and I'm just applying a little bit up under my eyes and on my forehead and the bridge of my nose. Now we're going to contour my face. I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion contouring palette. It's the medium to dark. So now I'm using my other True Complexion contouring palette. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that darker color right under my cheekbone. And now I'm going to blend everything in before I add my setting powder. I'm almost done, y'all. I am applying my translucent setting powder. It's from Sephora. It's the Sephora collection. And now I'm gonna blend all that in using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. It's the Soft Matte Powder Foundation, and I'm using the color 450. Now finishing up my eyes, I'm using my Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner in the color black. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. I have to get another one because I was squeezing out as much as I can with this. Now let's get into these lashes, ladies. I bought these lashes from Amazon. It was like a 20 pack. There were I think like 4 to 5 different varieties, and I love them. I use them multiple times, and look, I love these lashes. So cute. Off to this blush. I was so excited to try out Juvia's Palace blush rouge, and it's the volume 1, and I use the pink color, and just it applies so flawlessly. I love it. Now let's set this makeup into place. I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set Refresh Setting Spray. I love it. I'm thinking about considering getting it in the bigger bottle. Definitely a must-have. So the lipstick that I'm applying is from the Sephora collection. It's their matte lipstick, and I got the color Golden Gate. After applying my lipstick, I wanted to add a little shine to it, so I'm using Maybelline's New York Lifter Gloss, the color Stone or number 8, and I love it. Look at that. With this look coming to the end, you definitely have to apply your highlighter, ladies. I'm using Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter, the color 40, Be My Sunlight. And look, yes. So y'all, I started off with a mistake, and I was like, look, we gonna fix this, and this is what I came up with. I thought it was so fun, so cute, something different, and I'm thinking about doing something fun and flirty. My anniversary is just before Valentine's Day, so y'all, what do y'all think? I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and happy Valentine's Day, everyone.